Having trouble linking your debit card in Afterpay? I'll guide you step by step. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to link your debit card in the Afterpay app so you can shop smoothly and avoid payment issues. Step 1. Open the Afterpay app and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on the Account or Payment Methods section. Step 3. Select Add Payment Method and choose Debit Card. Step 4. Enter your debit card details carefully: card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing address. Step 5. Save your payment method. Step 6. Verify your card if prompted by confirming a small temporary charge or via your bank's security process. Now your debit card is linked and ready for your next Afterpay purchase. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching.